We are very excited to be here today to share our special innovation project.
The project is
Grow tray, let the sun do the cleaning.
Kulim is 9 years old and Kashini is 7 years old. We are so proud of what they achieved at such a young age. And I am teacher Monica, the advisor for this project. I work together with the students and parents to guide the flow of the innovation.
I'm Shuhashini Anak Pambalan, the proud parents of Yuvan Rishikesh and Kashini. I'm happy to support and guide them throughout this project.
Our objective is to reduce the spread of germs like HFMD and flu in school by using solar-powered cleaning tray. Our project focuses on real health concerns in schools such as the spread of bacteria and viruses. This project was conducted as a collaboration between students, parents and teachers. This shows that a great project can be done when students, parents and teachers work together. We hope this project inspires other students to use creative ideas to solve everyday problems.
These are the materials needed for our project.
love charms, thermometer, scissors, butterfly stickers, black plastic, black paper,
LED light, black marker, clear plastic roll, wrapping paper, tapes, aluminum tray and shoe box.
First, we put an aluminum tray inside the shoe box.
Then we added black paper or plastic at the bottom to absorb heat.
We stuck a thermometer on the side wall to check the temperature.
We covered the top clear plastic wrap to trap the heat.